everyone, welcome to another game. We are going to play Cloudcast game again and try to learn new skills. So I'll just start to the next one now. Auto healing and scaling applications. Vote and go. I have 3 more games to play in Cloud Practitioner. We are going to see the case now and see what problem is. Best Gaming Cafe, thanks for answering my call. I'm a gamer too. Gaming parties are hot right now and we are allowing our users to host their own service for various games in our cafe. Our customers are allowed to provision the maximum amount of Amazon EC2 instances each day. We don't have controls to enforce. Sadly, we are running into some problems. First of all, the Amazon instance crashes. We need automatic replacement for the failed instance. Secondly, we want patrons to stay within their service creation limit. This sounds like a perfect opportunity to auto-scaling groups. You can set up launch templates for their game web servers and have the number of EC2 instances automatically scale up and down based on demand. You can also set hard limits on the number of instances they can use. That sounds excellent. We have another problem. Every Tuesday we have a large party booked for 8 to 1 a.m., 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. We want to ensure that their servers are up and ready for the second day. They walk in at 8 p.m. and their service shut down exactly at 1 a.m. You can ensure that your game servers start up and shut down at specific times. That's not a problem. Auto scaling groups, you can configure scaling that launches and terminates instances according to the predefined schedule. I think auto scaling groups can work for us. Okay, let's start. I just grabbed a coffee before I start playing and also watching videos. So this one, before we go to the plant, we will watch videos and concepts and learn more about the applications, and then we will go through the plan. This one and continue. For now, I will just go to the videos and start watching. You should do the same before you start playing the game if you are not familiar with the concepts. If you are familiar, you probably know how to do it all anyway. Okay, so let's start. Okay, after watching all these training videos, we can start with our application. This will show me all the diagram steps, what we need to do. Amazon EC2 auto scaling helps to ensure that you have correct number of Amazon EC2 instances available to handle the load on your application. You can specify the minimum maximum number of instances in each auto scaling group, and it ensures that your group never goes below and above limits. If you specify the desired capacity either way when you create a group of or any within time thereafter, Amazon EC2 auto scaling ensures that your group has the desired amount of instances. Schedule scaling helps you set up your own scaling schedule according to predictable load changes. You can configure the auto scaling group to increase capacity on Tuesday at 8 p.m. and decrease capacity on Wednesday at 1 a.m. Dynamic scaling enables you to define how to scale capacity in response to changing demand. A CloudWatch alarm is configured to monitor CPU utilization greater than 70%. You can create a dynamic scaling policy to track a specific CloudWatch metric. Alarm CPU average 70%. That adds servers if the alarm is triggered. In the solution, a scheduled scaling event terminates all the instances in the auto-scaling group. So next, go to the plan. So this is what we need to do. Practice lab goals. Create an EC2 template from an existing EC2 instance. Configure an auto-scaling group with a minimum of 2 and maximum of 4 instances. Assign a CPU utilization metric and schedule based on auto-scaling rules. And then this is our DIY. Configure an auto-scaling policy to create to scale down to 0 resources at 1 AM UTC every day. So let's start practicing. We can start the lab. Open AWS console. I will take this out. It's easy to move between pages. So first, start the lab. We'll go to EC2 and then instances and click on the game server instance ID and copy the public IP address. Let's do that. EC2 instances, this one, and copy public IP. Then type this and paste. HTTP paste, enter. Next, go return to EC2, then go to instances, choose game server, actions, image template, choose image, create image. Sorry. Okay, go to here. Was it instances, game server? Actions, image and templates, create an image. Next one, image name game server, regular customer game server, game server, regular customer game server. Next one, scroll down, choose and click tag image and snapshot together. This is selected, and then create image. Next, review on the launch templates. First go to AMIs, here. Okay, so secondly, renew game server name and T, my name, game server available. Let me see if this is available. Not yet, still pending. Now that's available, we can continue. Available, click launch templates here. Next one, create launch template, and then game server template. Game server name, regular customer server, game server template. Provide guidance, and after that my owned by me. Okay, choose game server, that's only one. Okay, choose 0.5 to the instance type. Family 2, 0.5, family 2 to nano. Okay. Create new key pair, game server key pair, game server key pair. Okay, RSI. This is selected. Create key pair. Okay. Now go to next one. Expand network settings. These are expanded. Select existing security group, web server security group. Okay, go down, scroll, summary is here. Review. Okay, launch, create launch template. This is successful. View launch templates. Okay. Auto scaling group. This is here. Auto scaling groups. Create an auto scaling group. Regular customer game server. Okay, game server template. Choose, and then next. Go scroll and next. Which one? Auto having. Choose both. This one and this one. And next. Scroll and click next. So 40 seconds. No load balancer. 240. Okay. Type and click next. Desired capacity 2 to 4. 2 to 4 maximum. Target tracking scaling policy. Next. Here. Target value, CPU, tracking policy, scaling, CPU, optimization, CPU resolution, target 70. Okay, and click next. Skip to review and create auto scaling. Okay. Click on auto scaling group. Activity. Okay, from service. That's fine. Automatic scaling. Scroll down. What we are looking for. Under schedules, create scheduled action. Create scheduled action. Scheduled actions. Name. Second wave of regulars. Second wave of regulars. 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4. Every week. That's an old date. Let's select something like this, maybe. And the time will be 20. Choose type, create. Review, and that's all, I think. So now we need to go to DIY. Loading. Configure auto scaling policy to scale down to 0 resources at 1 AM UTC every day. Solution validation method. Our services will validate that you have correctly configured your auto scaling. Okay. To scale down to 0 resources. Auto scaling policy. Auto scaling groups. Select this one. Create dynamic scaling policy. Create scheduled action. Predictive scheduled. Auto scaling group. Name. Auto scaling. Desired capacity. Let me think that auto scaling policy to scale down to 0 resources. Okay, desired capacity. Maximum 0 at 1 AM UTC every day. Every day. We selected that. That's great. Let me see now. Auto scaling group name. Regular customer game server. Group name and down to 0. Okay, close the edit. Try. Looks like we've done it. Okay, that's good. Now return back. Let's give the customer the good news. And get the price. Let's select something. Let's go with this one. Okay, the lesson is done. This is part of the game. I'm not very used to play games, so we'll just go with the flow. Okay, this one is done. I will go to the next game. I will see you in my next video. See you. Bye.